Yeah.
Okay guys, this is a quick way to remove a flywheel. I know that there is many other ways, but this is the only way that I use. I've been using this forever. Very rare it fails. What I did, I cleaned the area, remove everything, put the bolt of the crankshaft back on place, a little bit tight. It does clear the area. You find a point that you can pry. I mean, if you pry in this area, you're gonna break it. So you find like something like a bolt or something like that, and you gently pry. Usually, everything is about how you hit it. Okay. What I have found out is that if you got fear, don't do it because it won't work. So you do like. That flywheel is loose. That flywheel is already loose. So that was a quick video. There you go. That is a quick video about how to lose a flywheel that works in most of everything. And I hope you get them done. Have a nice day.